What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Life of a Jobbing Plumber. Today we're going to be getting smacked in the head by an air freshener, but no, we're going to be doing multiple little jobbing jobs. It's not all from one day, it's mixed together, just little bits, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. And we've got a 2k giveaway happening where there is a post somewhere on my main page of this with what's getting given away. There's a PB jobbing bag, today's tools, a couple of lights, a Fernox test kit, an ox ruler, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, get subscribed, and then when we hit 2k, I'll be giving that away to one of you lucky subscribers. So let's get into it. This is overflowing, that's why someone's propped it with a bit of wood. Just shut the water off in the cellar downstairs. It's looking good. Hopefully this will be a routine washer change. This is a part 2 style ball valve, meaning it fills from above. Part 1's used to fill from below, and then you could get cross contamination, back siphonage and all sorts, which is why they changed them to part 2. I reckon this wood's swelled up in here. Christ. Just fallen out of there, but this is the orifice where the water shoots out from. Now whenever you change the washer on these, always check that it's a nice smooth flat surface, no cracks in it. Just run your fingernail over it, that one looks alright. And there's our washer. And that's at it. Just refitting in reverse order. There's grooves on these you've got to line up with. You can't see it. It's there on this one. Certain points. Another groove on this. This point here is where you alter your fill level. So as you can see, that will be incredibly high. But if we wind this in, all it's doing is pushing on that pin in there, pushing that washer against your orifice like you've just done. That gets pretty spout on. Then water can go back on. There might need to be a bit more adjustment. Set it to the water line. After we can do that with the water on. Make sure your locking nut goes in. Job done. And this is a cellar we've got to take water back on. These monster spiders down here. I had to make rafts to get across. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's already 20 degrees. Someone's got fire going. So we're in Wigan. Oh my God. Well, a little tiny gap there, I might be able to squeeze through. This toilet's not filling up quickly. I'm hoping it's a flush valve I've got on the van that I can do from the top. If not, reduced Siamp. I think I've got a spare washer for these. I'll just shut the water off now. Check it out. Level it. Oh. Let's see if we've got one of them. Inside the box of tricks. Oh. That looks like the one. Don't know what these two are. I think they're Fluid Master maybe. Sure someone will let me know in the comments. That's all we should need for this though. Put it back in the same way you got it at. Might have to do this one-handed. So this little U shape here, this catch, you can't see it really on the camera, it's going to go point to it in between them two circle bits on the grey rod. Why do I think that's not going to stop? Take a look at that again. Don't know if this will focus, but you can see the lip on the washer. Right there. It's not quite caught over the cross. That one. So I think that's why it wasn't stopping. So glad I didn't have to do anything with that. So as you can see with that one, we got lucky. I for some reason had a Siamp fill valve washer in the van. I'd only just recently got one of them because normally I just change them. I hate Siamp stuff. I did not realise that it was something to do with Arctic haze, but I normally just take them out. Other than the flush valves themselves, I keep one of them because it's just easier. It's just easier. There's a lot of them about, but I'm going to have to restock of these fill valve washers. Yeah, it saved my bacon and the customer's tiles in that one. So this is a haul I look after. I look after a local one, and I've been called out for a leak on the hot water tap on this basin. It's been isolated, but I'm going to guess as it's going to be the fibre washer on the tap connector. Turn it on. Oh. See, it was right there. Shut it back off. Get the taps out. We'll get our towel now with the today's tool tap spanner set. Locked on. Get my ratchet there. Nail down. A little cameraman. I'm going to take it off from here. On that other side, lad. What? Show that. I'm going to take it off from there just so I can get onto the washer to replace it. See down there, mate? that there is our problem. They just perish over time. We've got a new one here, but I will wrap that with PTFE. Wrap that with PTFE there. Bit of paste on that olive. I'll slot it back in. That's that back on now. That back tightened up. Just gonna get some my trusty helper to get some tissue to dry it off, and then we'll turn the water back on and see what's what. That tap spanner there didn't really work so well up here because I couldn't get the claws footing, so I ended up undoing it with adjustable on edge like that. Beautiful. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This week's YouTube content creator mention is a huge creator on here. None of these have been in any sort of order, so it's not my own preference first. It's just, I just was doing one a week. And it's MJ Tiff. I will put his little channel homepage here and the link in the description. Go and check out his videos. He does a lot of, well, he's not gas, but he does a lot of plumbing. He has interesting jobs. You learn a lot from him. And yeah, good, entertaining content. So if you haven't given this video a like, give it a like. And consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.